What's up, guys? Your boy and Jake eating some delicious pumpkin cake, and Jose and his slammed fucking Corolla twin turbocharged super nitrous kit. Nah, just kidding, guys. So, guys, for today's content, we are gonna be working on his. What year's a Corolla?
22.
So it's a 2022 Corolla SE. So what we're gonna be installing is a downforce kit. So let's show them the downforce kit. That's a big ass lip. Oh, we're gonna have to take out the front bumper for that.
Nah, we did for
God
This is
damn.
the bottom part.
That's the bottom part? Oh, okay.
Like, well, this is the bottom part.
Does it come with the splitter rod you said?
See?
Oh, okay, perfect.
I even ordered them because it came with it. So like, fuck it.
Nice. So, guys, this is the whole kit. We're gonna be mounting it on. I'll give you guys a little preview of how his car looks. So, it's a 2022 Corolla running on. Hey, what type of coilovers does it have? Oh shit, my fork. Megan Racing coilovers. I think this is ones I have it on my Mustang. So, you guys have any questions or like anybody trying to build a Corolla, I'll put his Instagram down below right here somewhere, and that way you guys can ask him about it. Without further ado, we're gonna get started on trying to putting on his. We're gonna do the rear, then the side skirts, and then the front. And but we'll do that first because it is relatively very low. It is low, dude. Like if you put the front lip, it's gonna go memes like real quick. Good goddamn. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, we'll get started, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be putting on the first one. So this diffuser is supposed to match up with this one.
Yeah, the white one. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna try to line it up. Hopefully we can match it up right here, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys, so the rear diffuser is put on. What do you think? We like it?
I think it looks clean. Man.
It's Gucci. Okay, so we just kind of like mocked it up right now. It looks sick. If you guys want to like purchase this for your Corollas or anybody's Corolla you want for Christmas, I guess. I'll put the link down below. I'll tell Jose to send it to me. Okay, let's go finish bolting this one on and we'll throw on the side skirts. Okay, guys, so this is how the rear looks. It's already been mounted on. You're gonna have to come back later because I gotta go get a horse ready. Literally, no pun intended. It's a real literal horse. So yeah, and then we'll check it out right now when it's lowered. Hopefully, it don't die on the way out of the driveway. I know, huh? Let's hope not. So, guys, he's already like popped out his front bumper. But let me get this out the way. Hopefully, it don't come out on the when you take them off the little ramp. Just go slowly. Sound like a transformer. Alright, dale. Slowly. Slowly. Ooh. That shit barely clears. Go. That shit barely fucking cleared. Alright. Oscase. Okay, now go sideways, I guess. Oh. I'm hearing something. Oh, okay, keep going. You good? You good? That pinche Wolverine a la verga. Okay. Barely cleared, I guess. Damn, that shit looks sick though. God damn. Ah, se mira bien, güey. Shaved off a little bit off of it. Pinche Wolverine, güey. A little bit.
Well, I meant like your driveway way.
Oh yeah, no, a little bit, yeah. That shit looks clean though. Okay, guys, we came to Jose right now to go finish off the car. If anything, we're gonna try to see if we can get an angle of the car right there. Oh no, you can't see it. But what do you call it? Let me see. Sit we slam, homie. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try to finish it right, like try to pull that out within 2 hours or so. And once I do that, I'm gonna call him, hit him up so he can pick it up. The only downside is that since this car is relatively low, I'm gonna struggle a bit to like clear it on my driveway. So I'm gonna probably have to do it in the street. Anyway, I'll hit you up when I finish. So if anything, we're gonna go from there. So if you guys aren't following like a lip splitter, lips, or anything, and you guys don't have any help, the best thing to do is go to a hardware store and get some jack stands. They do help for balancing. Like say, for example, I'm on my own and I gotta install this. I got Jose for today, so he's helping me out. So you just basically mount them, and then you could jack up. Obviously, this is perfect because you could jack it up to the height of you need where your assistance or where you need help, and guide it from there. And for future reference, it's a good tip. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off with the side skirts. Obviously, what you're gonna need is some drill bits, a drill, a Sharpie, and obviously to drill it back in or to make the holes. So obviously look for the drill bit that fits best for here, but before you make any type of holes, that's where the Sharpie comes in hand. You just have a gray Sharpie, it helps a lot. Okay, so that's how it's coming out more or less. Splitter's fully mounted. I had to take off the bumper to make sure it fully fits. So I'm out of breath. I'm doing this fast because I gotta go back to work. But yeah, did a hole here so it could match perfectly. Before doing that, I did mount it on the bumper first. I did have to remove the bumper. It does have a bolt here, and a bolt here, and it has two plastic bolts right here. These plastic bolts are basically useless to me. And I did hit up the owner. I don't know, just took it off. So basically that was holding in the bumper. This bumper for some reason comes off really easy. I don't know if that's normal, but you just pull this piece out, pull that piece out on the other side, and it comes off. It looks really aggressive now, guys. For being a Corolla, it looks fucking nice. Let me just show you how it's mounted on the bottom. It does have a lot of bolts, so be prepared. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it. Did a full base all around, and you just gotta do off that side skirt on this side, and we should be finished. Fortunately though, might not have enough time before I head out to work, but I just want to try it out, see if I can knock it out, and if I do, solid. Okay guys, so this is the end finish of Jose's car. I'm gonna grab his IG down below. This shit looks clean, guys. I recommend it for anybody that wants to get this type of a splitter setup. I'll tell them to put the link down below. I'll tell them to share me the link. It looks freaking aggressive, guys. I highly recommend it. It is kind of hard, so I recommend getting a hand or two. So yeah, guys, if you guys new to the channel, again, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll go from there. Peace. Also, I did hit up the owner. He is on his way right now. I want to see his reaction, see how he thinks about it. He loved the rear diffuser as it was. Just cleaning up right now because I have to go back to work in 15 minutes or so, because the drive to that, it's a graduation in the worst time of the month, but hey, you know what, it's money. Anyways, so yeah guys, waiting on the order to pick up his car, and then we go from there. And why is my timer running off? There you go. But yeah guys, just hopefully I can see his reaction, if he can make it in time so he can look at his car. It looks clean. I love it. I always feel so happy to help out people on their builds, because one, I try not to charge too expensive, and at the same time bring smiles to your car and tips and advice and for future help, because a lot of people don't like doing that nowadays. I don't know why. A lot of people are gatekeepers, or I believe that's what they call it. For me, I really don't care. You guys are always looking for help or advice, message me. But if I don't answer, don't get mad, because I'm very busy all the time. I'm running around. I will get back to you if I have to. But yeah, guys, The owner just texted me. He might not make it in time. Might or might not. So if I get a reaction, I'll put it in. If I don't, well, wow, so pretty. I got. But yeah, that's his reaction then if he doesn't come in time. But yeah, guys. Let's see. It's the way you just got your right pimp. I got them.